That is my new office. Can you believe it? So I'm Jasmine Cheri, and we're at the brand new Margaritaville Hotel right here in downtown Nashville. It brings a unique flavor to Nashville that it doesn't really have, you know, anywhere else. It's bright, it's fun, it's colorful. You got the tropical vibes. They actually just built in a new radio host booth right here behind me. I'm not sure if I know of another hotel that has like a DJ booth in the lobby. Let's go see. So we've got a window here looking out into the lobby, which is gorgeous. We've got a really nice restaurant over here. The food is fabulous. I mean, it's just beautiful. I think that's really special. We're going to be able to do that right here in the lobby. People staying at the hotel who are, you know, big fans of the Margaritaville brand, they can kind of peek in and they can see what's going on in here, which I think will be not only fun for us, but it'll be really fun for the guests in the hotel as well. Come by and say hello. This is definitely the beachiest, sunniest place in downtown Nashville.